Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with UNILORIN post UTME past questions. Question 5. A man buys recharge card for 500 naira. He sells it for 430 naira. What is the percentage loss? Percentage loss. Now, the percentage loss, the formula for finding percentage loss is equal to the loss over the actual value multiplied by 100. Now, according to this particular question, it told you that the actual value of this commodity, this recharge card, was what? Value was 500 naira, and then it says the person sold it, selling price is equal to what? 430 naira. Now your loss is equal to actual value minus the selling price. Now our actual value, I said, was 500 minus the selling price 430, and 500 minus 430 will give you 70 naira. So 70 naira is the loss. So from this our formula, I said percentage loss is equal to loss over actual value. We found out that our loss is 70 naira, which is 70 divided by, we found out our actual value is 500 naira, the amount he bought the recharge card before he sold it, now multiplied by 100. Now 70 divided by 500 multiplied by 100, that's 70 times 100, which is 7,000 over 500, will give you 14%. 14% is the answer. Therefore our answer is option C. 14% is the correct answer to this particular question. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.